Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a truck vlog today. I'm gonna call this truck vlog instead of motor vlog, truck vlog. And I was thinking about this, and I kind of wanted to talk about this for a minute. First of all, I wanted to try my 360 camera here on the truck. I don't know if this is gonna work out or not. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. The quality of the picture, how it goes. Hopefully I could capture the front, I could capture the inside. I could potentially capture somebody else if somebody else is in the car with me. I don't know how the audio is going to be. Hopefully it's good or not. But you guys know that I was trying to buy a new truck just recently. And last time that I had with the conversation that I had with the guy was primarily telling him that, you know what, it's okay. I'm not going to buy the truck. I'm not really sure about this. Again, you know, i4 2.7 turbo engines. I don't know anything about it. Now that I know anything about trucks, but in particular, I don't know anything about that. And I got a 5.3 VA in this car or in this truck. And you know what? I'm not going to do it. Now, recently, I went to put gas and I put $80 in gas. And I was like, you got to be freaking kidding me. And you guys know, thanks to you know what, the prices of gasoline are insane. So I thought to myself, man, that truck with the 2.7 turbo, which by the way, my friend Randy and Nick were talking about maybe you have to put premium gas. Not really sure on that, but man, 20 miles a gallon, that sounds pretty good by now, right? And by the way, I'm going to go and get a haircut. I look like a bear, so you're going to see me bear and then like a regular person right in a few minutes after. Hopefully the guy's there. But again, you know, pretty insane, those prices and gasoline and all that stuff. But again, I started thinking again, you know, like I was kind of like thinking again that, oh, maybe I get a truck and, you know, I'll lower my gasoline, you know, prices and things like that. But then I was like, nah, I don't really want to commit to a truck, guys, primarily due to the fact that I want to commit to a better bike or to a newer bike. Not a better bike, a newer bike. And I feel that if I go for a newer truck, you know, then the motorcycle is not going to be there. I'm not rich. I work for a living. And, you know, you can't have a brand new truck and a brand new motorcycle. At least I can't. If you can, much blessings to you. That's awesome. But, again, you know, I was thinking about that, and I'm like, whatever. But here's the thing. I want to kind of give you a little take right here because as I was looking at some of the prices for trucks, I saw this truck right here, 2014 Silverado Crew Cab, right? 5.3 VA engine, has about 73,000 miles. I saw one just like this. The only difference is that it was 79,000 miles. And obviously about 6,000 miles more. And then when I looked at the price, it was $30,000. I couldn't believe it, guys. I really could not believe the fact that a truck that has 79,000 miles, almost 80,000 miles, is $30,000 and it's 6 years old. I just cannot believe that. Obviously, due to everything that is happening nowadays, 2020, 2021, crazy stuff, all this is happening, right? But again, as I went to talk to the guy, they offered me $20,000 for this truck, which it tells me that, you know, if they sell it for $30,000, they're going to make a $10,000 profit. I get it that they can make a lot of money or they need to make money. I totally get that. It is what it is. But my point to this was that, you know, obviously I could have got a little bit more for the asking price for the truck. But again, you know, when they asked me, or when I thought about buying a new truck, I saw the truck for about, I want to say it was like $38,000. One of the trucks that I was looking at, it had a $5,000 or $4,000, you know, take away from the company and sentence. There we go. And so it kind of bring it down to like 34. I'm sure we could negotiate a little bit more, maybe take a little bit more out of that. I don't know, maybe $34,000 or $35,000. So here's the thing: you could buy a brand new car or truck for $35,000 or buy an old truck for $30,000. I mean, it's insane. I never seen this before. You know, I'm not 30 years old. I'm 40 years old. I was gonna say 30. Wow, it has been a while, buddy. Uh, I'm 40 years old. I've never seen this. I always know that, obviously used cars are cheaper. So now you have a car that it's a truck that costs $30,000 when, $7,000 more, you could get a newer truck. Obviously, that truck that I was looking at is a 5.3 V8 engine, has a higher towing capacity and all that stuff. So it's when it comes to towing and things like that, it's probably a better truck. But nevertheless, to me, that was mind-blowing. To me, it was really mind-blowing to see that. Man, I hope Charlie is there because I really want to get a haircut. And let me look. I text him. He didn't answer me. Sometimes he gets busy, and it is what it is. But let me look. I see. I don't know. The place looks like no one is there. But I want to stop, get a Monster, and then I go back and hit it up. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be drinking these things, but you know what? I stopped drinking years ago when I got saved. I don't smoke no more. I do have a little bit of like to drink Cokes, like Coke, and I still deal with a little bit of Monsters. I need to stop drinking that thing. That's just bad. But anyways, like I was saying, let's go ahead and check out Charlie. Hopefully he's there so I could get a haircut because I look like a bear. Here we go. Let's do this. Hopefully this camera works out good because if it doesn't, I just talked to myself for the last 10 minutes. So hopefully it's a pretty good setup. Let's hope that it works. By the way, there's a little place here called Mohawk, right here to the right. That's actually where I did my bars on my Road King Classic. Looks like the place is closed. Let me go and ask. Woo! So much better. Charlie does a good job over here. Very, very good job. Really, really cool guy. If you are in Benel, you know what to do. There's the barber shop right there. Make sure you come and check it out. Tell him Fabian sent you this way. And he's a really cool guy. And he rides motorcycles just like you and I do as well. Not really sure if this is possible or not, but you know what? Let's do a little bit of a montage. Kind of like showing a little bit of writing and a little bit of music behind that. So there you have it, guys. Let me tell you, I just wonder, what do you guys think about this? As again, if you're looking for a truck or anything like that, make sure you share some of the comments down below. People are usually sharing advice and things like that. But as 2021, it seems to me like buying a new truck sounds like it's a better choice than buying a used truck. I really wouldn't would hate to pay $30,000 for a truck that has 79,000 miles. To me, that doesn't make any sense, you know? If it had, I don't know, 50,000 miles, okay. But you're talking about 80,000 miles. That's a good amount of miles. And $30,000, there is no pocket money. So if you could get a truck that has 0 miles, that you're going to get way more life for like $5,000, $6,000 more, it seems to me that that is the best choice. But then again, every situation is different. Everybody has a different financial need. Everybody has a different financial, you know, responsibility, I guess, in a way. So it could be what makes sense to me may not make sense to you. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this camera? Appreciate any feedback. And as always, God is in control.